Hello everybody, my name is Tim Baer. I'm the Vice President of Facilities here at Camelback Resort, and I just want to take this opportunity to welcome you all to this wonderful resort of ours. Camelback Mountain summit is about 2,100 feet altitude with a base elevation of about 1,200 feet, giving us about a 900-foot vertical drop. We have 166 skiable acres composing of 39 trails with a great mix of beginner, intermediate, and expert trails. Our tubing park is the largest tubing park in the country with 42 lanes that can accommodate quite a lot of people for a fantastic adventure here. If you've never skied or snowboarded before and you'd love to find out how to do it, we have many different programs. We also have one of the largest rental shops really in the region. So if you don't have equipment, you definitely don't need it. Or if you just don't want to travel with it, we have more than enough equipment to get you set up and get you out there on the hill. We've added a lot of outdoor tents with big heating elements that are serviced by some food trucks and some grills, from our annex smokehouse to our taco truck and beer trailer. Then we have some amazing sit-down restaurants for our ski guests as well, from the Summit House at the top of the mountain to our Borelli's Italian Chop House restaurant that you don't even need to be a ski guest to come to. You could just come and dine. The great thing about skiing or snowboarding is it's all up to you, what you want to do. It really is totally freeing. It is sledding to an extreme when you think about it. We all remember the first time we might have gotten on a sled as a kid and gone down the hill. But coming to a mountain and experiencing that, seeing the views from the top of the mountain, which are incredible, looking over the Poconos, and then feeling that adrenaline as you're in full control, as you're just going down the mountain. You could feel the rush, the fresh air. It's just so reinvigorating every time you're out there. It's just an amazing feeling.